Hi, my name is Tumise Olaoluwa, and today I'll be showing you how to buy, bridge, and stake the TIA token, which is a native token of the Celestia ecosystem. It is important to note that all stakers of Celestial token will earn potential airdrops from new ecosystem springing up on the Cosmos ecosystem, and you don't want to miss it. That is why I'm going to show you here how to stake the TIA token. Join me. Yeah, all right, guys. Welcome to today's session, and today we are looking at how to buy, bridge, and stake the Celestial token for potential airdrops. All right, for potential airdrops. So here we have on CoinGecko, we have, let me just have a brief overview of the Celestia blockchain network and its token called TIA. So the Celestial token is called TIA, all right? Currently trading at $17.7 dollars. Okay, has a market cap of 2.8 billion. And we can see other informations here. All right. So yeah, there's been a lot of interesting things happening within the Celestia ecosystem. So here we can see that Celestia is a modular data availability network. It simplifies the process of launching blockchain, making blockchain technology more accessible and user-friendly. So yeah, and other details like that. But today, let's just focus on why we are here, which is how do you stake the Celestial token? I've got a lot of questions like that on one of my previous video I did on some of the potential tokens that can give you airdrop, and people are like, okay, yes, I want to know how to stake. So here today I'll be showing you how to stake. Before I go forward, I would like to remind you that please, it is because of you that we are inspired to do more videos like this. So do well to smash the subscription button and tap on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we put out valuable contents. And I like to promise you that the more you show us support, the more you drop comments in the comment section, we'll put out more videos like this. All right. So yeah, so this is Celestial token. I'll be showing you how to buy, bridge, and stake the Celestial token. So yeah, on the Celestial website, says Celestia is the first modular blockchain network. Said Celestia is a modular data availability network that securely scales with the number of users, making it easy for anyone to launch their own blockchain. So yeah, it's some interesting stuffs. All right. So for the reason why we are looking into why are you to stake the TIA token. So the TIA token said new crypto projects are rewarding Celestial stakers with airdrops. All right. We can see that of Dimension. Okay, there are airdrops coming out, and other airdrops that have come out for people who have staked TIA and have benefited from it. Interestingly, it is not over. This year, there's going to be a rain of airdrops coming in on the Cosmos ecosystem and for TIA stakers particularly. And that is why I want to show you how to stake TIA, all right, and get position for rewards. Okay, good. So here is my Binance. So the first thing we want to do is to go to the market, the spot market. All right, I'm going to the spot market. So here at the spot market, we are going to buy Atom. All right, we're going to buy Atom on the spot market. Okay, good. So this is Atom USDT. All right, and I'll be buying $20 worth of Atom. All right, we have $50 available here, so I'll be buying $20 worth of Atom at market price. Okay, $20 worth of Atom I'm buying. Okay, can you see that? order has been filled. Okay. Okay, good. Let's have this here. All right, so the order has been filled. Now I now have Atom in the wallet. So let me go to my wallet to check if my Atom is there already. So waiting for it to load. All right, so now we can see that we have 2 atoms already. That is for the $20, right? So the $20 is worth 2 atoms. Okay, so what are we going to do from here? Now that we have our atom, we are going to send it. All right, we are going to send it to our Kepler wallet. All right, we're going to send it to our Kepler wallet. So here is asking us select the token. So we select Atom. All right, then asking us for address. So come here. Yeah, we buy the, okay, this is, I want to deposit Atom. So we've copied the address. This is Kepler, all right? Copy the address. This is, let me use this. Almost the same thing. We pick Atom, all right? Okay, here we just deposit Atom, okay? All right, so here we copy our wallet, all right? And we'll put it here. Okay, we are sending out Atom. Okay. So here we are sending out the max, all right? Sending out the max, and then we click on withdraw. It's asking us to confirm. We want to confirm if our transaction will confirm the wallet ID. So I want to confirm the address and as well as confirm the memo. Okay, because those are very, very important. They are very, very important. All right. So click on send, continue. Okay. All right, it's asking me for, okay, good. Yeah, so my withdrawal has been reviewed and my withdrawal has been submitted. All right, so I've successfully sent 2 Atom from my Binance wallet to my Kepler wallet. All right, good. So we go to the Kepler wallet now. All right, and here, let's reload this or wait for the transaction to be completed. All right. So the Atom has arrived. As you can see, 2.0342 has arrived. Now, what do we do from here? We will then go and swap this Atom for the tier token, all right? And we can only do that in osmosis zone, okay? So here, let's just refresh this. Okay. So yeah, so now we have um the atom on our Kepler wallet. So I'll then you know, let me, yeah, it's connected. It's connected, yeah. Okay. Let me send it from Kepler. I'll send it from Kepler to OSIS. All right. So you can see I'm sending from Kepler to OSIS. All right. Um, Let me see. Okay, I'm depositing everything from Kepler to osmosis. Good. This feels so real. All right. So here we click on approve. Then the transaction is broadcasting, waiting for transaction to be included in the block. Transaction successful. So now we now have Atom in our wallet. All right. We now have Atom in our wallet. So let's just refresh this now and we'll see our Atom sitting pretty in our wallet. Good. So now you see that we now have our Atom in the osmosis wallet. So what do we do when we, since we now have this in our wallet here? We now swap it. All right, we swap. So we swap our atom. Okay, we swap it all for, we now look for tier. Can you see it now? We have tier here already. We swap our atom. We swap it for tier. Can you see that? So let's just swap 2 atoms for tier. All right. So we're swapping it now. Swapping it now. Needs approval. Approve. We can see transaction broadcasting, waiting for transaction to be included in the block. Transaction successful. So now we now have tier. All right. The tier is the native token for the Celestial blockchain. Excuse me. Now, this tier that we have now is in the Osmosis wallet. We would need to move it to the Kepler wallet. So what are we going to do? We go to Kepler here. All right. And then we can see tier. Can you see tier on osmosis? Tier on osmosis. Okay. Now we want to move it from tier on osmosis to tier on celestial. So we click on it, we do the can you see what I did here? The IBC send, you click on the IBC send, then you want to move it to the home chain, which is the celestial chain. Then you click here, and then you want to move all right? Good, you want to move all. So okay. So here, this is the, so you click next, transaction fee, approved. You see, it has now been moved. Okay. Transaction, transfer 1.09 tier from osmosis to celestial. Okay, so we are waiting. We are waiting for it to be approved. We are waiting for it to be approved. Now it's successfully approved. Okay, so we can see that our tier has moved from the osmosis chain to the celestial chain. Okay, now we can see that it is no longer tier in osmosis, it's now tier in the celestial home chain. Okay, great. So now once we have this now, we now go to our Kepler here. Then we go to stake. Okay, can you see what I clicked here? We went here and clicked on stake. Okay, then it brought this out. So what are we staking? Okay, what are we staking? We are staking, excuse me, go back here to say stake. Okay, we are staking the TIA token. All right. So here you see that we have 1.0977 TIA. Okay, now who are we staking with? First, I'm looking at the commission, also the voting power. So as not to give so much centralized power, central authority to the top 10, top 5, you can just look for others. Okay, so here I'll be going with imperator.co. Okay, 5% commission, 1.72 voting power. Okay, click on that, and then we go stake. So you can see here commission is 5%, expected APR is 15%, voting power 1.72. On bonding period, this is if you want to unstake. So you have to think about it. If you want to unstake, after staking, it will take 21 days. All right, good. So you now click on stake. And yeah, what do you want to stake? I want to stake all. Okay. So they said we recommend you to set aside a few tokens to cover fees for your next transaction. All right. So if we just do one tier, so we are staking one tier, click on this and then approve. Transaction is in progress. Transaction is in progress. As we can see here, transaction is in progress. Perfect. Transaction successful. All right, transaction successful. So now we have our tier staked. Okay, so now we are positioned for potential airdrops. Okay, it's also important to know that there are minimum amounts you are expected to stake. Okay, a minimum, I would recommend a minimum of $100. All right, if you want to stake a minimum of $100, you can stake on the Celestia token. Okay, and that would position you for potential airdrops in 2024. I tell you, on the Cosmos ecosystem, I've made over $5,000 from airdrops, and this is real and very possible. So don't miss out from it. Jump in on this, smash the subscribe button, and I will do another video on how to stake other tokens within the Cosmos ecosystem. Thank you for joining, and do well to smash the like button. Also drop a very good feedback comment for us. Thank you and stay profitable. Bye. Thank you for joining and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell to be the first to be informed whenever we put out valuable content like this. Please do well to give us a like and also drop a good feedback in the comment section. See you in our next video. Thank you.